So, before I proceed with my submission, sir, in a lighter note, I would like to congratulate, in fact, the Chief Minister and his team, the ruling party, for having shown their fishing skill, whereby they have successfully managed to fish 3 MLAs from the site, and they are now on the other side, sir. So, at the same time, sir, I would like to wish my best wishes and quick recovery for the Chief Minister so that he can attend the proceeding in this house.
Sir, before I also reply, on a lighter note, I would like also to say that MDA and NPP party is not a fisher. We are not a fisher. But of course, we welcome anybody who wanted to join the NPP. Sir. I think this has happened. It proved that NPP has shown the good intention in saving the state of Meghalaya.